to the top of the hour, 10 o'clock. And you're still tuned into the Morning Delight with myself, Tseho, and Noel. Remember that we have a special guest today, Tina. How's your day going?
Hi, my day is good.
Period.
Very good.
Yes.
Also, you see me once.
Exactly.
I look like
as
a god.
beautiful as you are. As beautiful as you are. So
I would like to know how a day in your life at the library looks like. Like Ishwan, how is your day to day at the library? How do you start your day? How do you finish? The in betweens?
Like how I start my day at
at the library.
Okay. Usually morning. I open the library.
Yes.
Then change my stamp and check the books like users batla baba like ba the book ko di shelf ba etse mo frefere, then they don't understand hore ha ba di khutlisetsa ba di khutlisetsa jwang ke nna motho a tlameleng hore ke di sorte ke di khutlisetse ho ya ka tsela e di ngotsweng ka teng, di tlamehile di dule ka teng. Then after that actually it's 8 to 9. Ka 9 the users tlamehile di kene di thole se ke nna se ke le ready ke set up all books ke ntho ngwe le ready for bona ha ba kena maemo a ba le right.
Yeah, that's nice. So what inspired you to work in a library, and what do you enjoy most about the work that you do, your role in the library?
Wa tseba mosebetsi wa ka o ke enjoyang haholo ke like go thusa batho. For example, go na le motho ne a tla ka hara library o thole hore ho na le information e batlang ha batla information ha understand hore ke gore nka ke teng mo ke maemong a right mo library mo tlameleng a thole teng o thole hana le ha tsebo a ka qala ho botsa jwang ke mo latella motho ke thole ke mfiela shame hore motho mara o tlile ka hara library ene o tshaba ho botsa ke mo latelle be ke thole o batla thuso, so hona le batho ba bang ba shy.
Yeah. Like Noel. Yeah, I push her all the time to do things.
So I enjoy to work with that people because ke elelletse go batho re shy o botsa e ka ha o botsa maybe
with a mistake.
Yeah. And we're supposed to ask.
Yeah, that's really nice. Also, can you describe a typical day in your position? What task do you usually perform? Like every single day that you know what this day I'm gonna do this every single day.
Shelf reading.
Shelf reading.
Shelf reading.
Do you enjoy that?
Yes, I enjoy it very much.
Really?
Borna. I enjoy it.
So what exactly is shelf reading?
Shelf reading ke hopa ka dibuka o checka dibuka like for example how can there's a shelf tse pakileng dibuka.
Yes.
So remember re serve public o ka tla fela wa re I just want to share fela hore le jwang bontsha buka itseng o tla una le interest mo tse Mandela ba sky freedom day hore ke ba le buka ena ha o se go tsetse mo e tla le teng. Remember dibuka tsa rona di tsamaya ka di-number le ka mabitso. So how so you go so lebetse go itse ka we kenya fela. So that's how ke tla ke shelf reading hore di sheba hale di ntle wena ha o tla o tlo sheba dibuka, because if ha 2 e dutse ho 7
it's not gonna look pleasing. Also, I like the whole play every month. According to the events each and every month. I think that looks pleasing.
Yeah.
And for people who didn't know, like I and Noah didn't know what was happening this month. So your play, and then we got to understand what was happening in this particular month. Also, yeah, you're doing a great work. We'll continue with our conversation after breaking an name. So you guys are still tuned into the Morning Delight with myself, Tseho, and Neo. It is 30